Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel notes. To add a basic note, simply right-click on any cell where you want to place your note. From the context menu that appears, select the New Note option. A small text box will then pop up, allowing you to type your desired text directly into it. It's a quick and easy way to add reminders or context to your data. Once you've added a note, you might want to make some changes. To edit an existing note, right-click the cell containing it and choose Edit Note. You can easily resize the note box by dragging its corners or edges. For more advanced formatting options, right-click again and select Format Note to customize its appearance. Controlling when your notes are visible is simple. Right-click the cell with a note and select Show/Hide Notes to toggle its display. If you need to remove a note entirely, just right-click the cell and choose Delete Note. For managing multiple notes across your sheet, the Review tab offers helpful tools. When it comes to printing, you can choose how your notes appear. Go to your print options, then Page Setup, and look for the Sheet tab. Here, you can select to print notes either at end of sheet or as displayed on sheet. Remember to keep your notes concise for maximum clarity and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.